Hello and welcome back to channel. So in this video I will show you how to set up this additive animation lean up and down poses. So all you need to do is go to your animation like mesh. You need to start with a simple pose. Here you can see create asset. You can create an animation using a current pose like so. For example, this is the pose. So this will be a single pose, and you then need to modify it however you want. Like in this approach, it gave designers a fully opportunity to how they want the horse or any quadruped creature to adopt the terrain. For example, I have created uh, 5 different poses. This is the basic idle pose, like no animation, like no modification on top of it. This is the simple pose. Here you can see I have created 2 poses for my lean up, this lean medium up, lean high up, and 2 poses for my lean down, lean medium down, lean high down. I will show you the each pose if you want. Uh, so these are foot IK, lean high, and high up, high down, medium up, and medium down. So while creating your poses, all you need to do is you don't ever change the root bone. So what I will explain you why you don't need to change the root, because in the next video which I will show you, when we are calculating the offset from each feet, we then use this information to find out how far the how far we need to move our feet up and down, and use the offset to subtract from the current height. For example, let's say you need to create 2 poses. Here I have created a simple pose. I will just duplicate it as purpose. If I delete all my changes from here, you can see this is a simple pose. All you need to do is I will for example, I have modified the pelvis. If I copy it from here, paste it from here, here you can see the pelvis rotation. I have just modified the rotation of my pelvis. See? And now if I add my spine on top of it, enable, and disable, you can see the spine, how it affects. So you can use use this for modifying your poses like so. So using the same information which I have showed, I have just modified these pelvis, spine 1, spine 2, bones. That's it. I can show you the base version of the animation of the pose. Sorry. So this is the basic pose. First I have modified my pelvis, this, then I have modified my spine, then spine 2, and then spine 1 and spine 2. So these are all the 4 poses which I have prepared, and I have used these poses inside a lean up and down blend space -1 to 1, like over here. See how it works. So in order to show you how it works, if I grab my root motion canter animation into the animation graph, so that we will play the running animation all the time. Here you can see in action. Like most of the time, our animation looks like not completely, but most of it works fine. Like it adopts the uh, surface below. Either we need to lean up and down. So this is without without modifying any legs, without modifying our animation at all. These are all the leaning up and down with custom poses. That's it. And you can see how it looks. It looks much better than before. If I play it from here using just this, see with this simple change, you can see how well we adopt the terrain, and it looks natural. Even though our feet are overlapping the ground, but the same solution will work if your camera is really close to the character. This solution might work in that case. So that's it for this video, guys, and I will show you. We will continue in the next video how to modify our feet to adopt the terrain properly. So I will see you in the next one.